So I created this amazing cloud brush by my own. Want to know how? So watch this video till end. So firstly take the cloud image and desaturate it. After the desaturation process, you want to invert the image by clicking Ctrl I. After that, go to curves adjustment option and play with slider options to make it black and background white. After that, make a rough selection around any cloud which you want, and then go to edit option and select brush preset and give here your brush a name, and after that hit OK, and here we are done, good to go now. But here the clouds are so even, then let's fix it. For that, go to brush settings and on the shape dynamics option and increase the size jitter. After that, also increase the angle jitter option, and here we are good to go now. So here the brush will change its size as well as its angle after every click. So I hope you like this video, then please do subscribe.